If you want to know how to merge layers in Pixlr, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to combine layers, keep your workspace organized, and choose the right merge option depending on what you're trying to edit. Whether you're cleaning up a design, preparing an image for export, or just trying to simplify a layered project, this quick guide will help you do it the right way. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Layers panel. In Pixlr, you'll usually find the vertical Layers menu on the right side of your browser window. This is where all of your image elements, text, shapes, and adjustments are listed. If you don't see it right away, look carefully along the right-hand side until you find the panel that shows each layer in your project. Now take a moment to position your elements properly. Before you merge anything, make sure the two layers you want to combine are directly stacked on top of each other in the correct order. You can drag layers up or down in the list to reorder them. This matters because the layer on top and the layer underneath will determine what gets merged and how the final result looks. Once your layers are arranged correctly, click the top layer of the pair to select it. This is important because the layer you choose becomes the active layer. In most cases, the top layer is the one you want to merge downward into the layer below it. So go ahead and left-click the higher layer to highlight it, and make sure Pixlr knows which layer you're working with. Next, open the layer settings. You can do this by right-clicking the active layer or by clicking the three dots menu on that layer tile. This opens the context menu where Pixlr gives you different layer actions. Take your time here because the option you choose depends on what you want to do with your project. At the bottom of the menu, you'll see the three main merge options. The first one is Merge Down. This combines your active layer directly into the layer right beneath it. This is the option you want if you only want to join two specific layers together while keeping the rest of your project intact. It's the most common choice when you're working with just a couple of elements. The second option is Merge Visible. This one combines all visible layers together while skipping anything hidden. This is really useful if you have several layers showing on the canvas and you want to simplify the project without affecting layers you've temporarily turned off. Just remember, hidden layers will not be included, so double check which layers are visible before using this option. The third option is Flatten Image. This is the most final option of the three. Flatten Image turns your entire project into a single base layer. It combines everything on the canvas into one layer, which can be helpful when you're completely finished editing and want a simplified file. But be careful, because flattening removes the ability to separate those layers again. So only use it when you're sure you no longer need to edit individual elements. So to recap, if you want to combine just two layers, use Merge Down. If you want to combine everything that's currently visible, use Merge Visible. And if you want to collapse the entire project into one single layer, use Flatten Image. Choosing the right option depends on how much flexibility you still want later. Once you've picked the merge action you need, Pixlr will apply the change immediately. Your layers will be combined and your canvas will look cleaner and more organized. If you're editing a complex design, this can make it much easier to continue working without getting lost in too many separate layers. And that's how to merge layers in Pixlr. It's fast, simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.